Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a tutorial on this rainbow cut crease, so please keep watching. I am starting off using this NYX red single shadow, and I'm applying that right into my inner eyelid, and then I'm taking the Sephora editorial palette and I'm picking up this orange shade and I'm applying it right next to it. I'm sorry it took me so long to edit this video. I burnt my hand really bad last week and it's finally starting to heal, so I'm editing this for you guys now, and I promise you my giveaway will be posted this week. I'm really sorry. I really burnt my hand extremely bad when I was picking up a curling iron. I accidentally wasn't looking and I picked up the entire curling wand on the hot end side and just burnt my entire hand. I'm then picking up this yellow shade from NYX. It's the Primal Colors Pressed Pigments, and that's also what I used for the red shade, and I'm applying that right next to the orange. I'm making this into a rainbow cut crease. I'm then picking up this green shade from the editorial palette. I have been loving this palette lately. It inspires me to just make more colorful looks because it basically has every shade that I possibly need. And then I picked up this blue also from the editorial palette, and I'm applying that right next to the green. So as you can tell, I'm not really blending it out right now. I'm kind of just picking out the colors and placing them on my eyelid, kind of like a rough draft, and then I'm going to go back in and kind of blend the shadows more together. I'm then picking up this purple shade from the editorial palette and I'm placing that right next to the blue. So after placing all the shades where I want them to go, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to start cutting out the crease where I want it to go. I like to apply it higher than my actual lid so my eyelid looks larger than it actually is. I promise you guys I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to do a cut crease for beginners. A little trick that you can do, you apply some concealer on the bottom of your lid and kind of look up, and wherever the concealer hits on your crease, that's kind of where you make the line. I actually never tried this trick before, but I did get this from Nicole Guerrero's video, and I actually tried it today in this video, and I actually really liked it. I thought it was a lot easier to do. I personally don't do it this way, but I thought I'd give it a try and let you guys know if I liked it, and I kind of did like it. I'm then taking this Stila liquid glitter and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. And then I'm taking by NYX Cosmetics this liquid glitter also and I'm applying that right on top just to enhance the glitter. And then I'm taking just this white shade from the editorial palette and I'm applying that right underneath my eyebrows, kind of just to soften the colors on the top so it's not too high close to my eyebrows. And for lashes, I'm taking by Kiss Cosmetics in number 11. Then I'm taking all the shades that I used in my crease and I'm applying them in the same exact order on my waterline. I am just cleaning up any fallout that may have fell on my face. I feel like it looks so weird from far away with the eyeshadow. I am taking my It Cosmetics CC cream and applying that all over my face. And then I'm going to be taking my damp beauty blender and blending all of that in. This is going to be pretty sped up since my face routine is pretty much the same recently. The It Cosmetics CC cream, and now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And yeah, pretty much everything's the same. Sometimes I'll add the Tarte Shape Tape with it. I am setting my concealer with some Laura Mercier powder. I'm not baking, I'm just pressing the powder into the skin. I'm now taking my L'Oreal Paris bronzer in the shade Cocoa and just bronzing up my face. I'm just using a nude gloss from Tarte Cosmetics since the eye is very dramatic, and then I'm just highlighting my face using Ofra Rodeo Drive Highlighter. And that will complete this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. I promise you the giveaway will be posted this week. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.